Okay guys, now I got a cinnamon waffle here. I'm going to teach you how to make French toast. You can either make a waffle or you can make the bread, whatever you like, but you just make it like you make regular French toast. So I'm just going to crack a couple of eggs in this bowl. And then I'm going to put a couple tablespoons cream, about 5 drops vanilla extract, and some sweetie and cinnamon, okay, about a tablespoon worth. And I'm gonna stir this all up. And I'm using the cinnamon cake mix, but you can use whatever mix you like. You can do it with the skinny bread, you can do it with the carrot cake. I mean, you can have a carrot cake French toast and it's delicious. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go over here by the stove and I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. I got my burner on. I have copper pans. My pans are pure copper and I love them. And I'm just spraying that. And I am going to dip the waffle in the egg mixture. And I'm telling you, this is no carbs, guys. No carbs, and you'll lose weight eating this because it's all protein and fat. And if you don't want all the fat, you can use instead of the cream, you can use like a fat-free half and half. Sometimes when I want to do low calorie, I do substitute cheat like that. And here's the last one. And I'm telling you, French toast is good. Waffle French toast, you're at a whole nother dimension of eating. Give that a second. And honestly, you don't even need syrup, but what you could do is you could just microwave some blueberries and you can have like a blueberry cinnamon waffle, and you can use blueberries and butter. Here's some blueberries. So I'm going to take this off now because it looks like they're cooked. Yep, see how beautiful they are? Oh my goodness, my mouth is watering. Okay, and I'm going to add some butter to it. And especially if I'm doing keto, I'm not even concerned about this because it's so filling. It's so filling for me. I'm going to add a few blueberries to it. They're frozen, but you could do fresh. I'm just going to put a couple on. But they're delicious. And there you go. You have a absolutely delicious French toast that's nice and sweet and tastes like the real thing. You cannot tell that this is not French toast. It tastes way better as a waffle than bread. Wow, I'm going to finish this. Thank you so much for watching. Visit healthytreatsmarket.com and place your order today.